Sanvi.
I'm Devna.
And today we are going to bake a chocolate cake with only 3 ingredients. This is a packet of bourbon, this is a sachet of Eno, and this is a cup of milk.
So in first step, we are gonna crush the bourbon into the mixer now.
Yeah, the first step is done. Guys, now the bourbon is completely grinded. Now we're going to pour a little milk into it. Added the whole cup. Now we'll have to mix it really properly. Yes, it's getting beautifully done.
It's nicely mixed with some kind of grinded bourbon and some milk. It's nicely kind of going to be a cake. And the decoration, we'll see.
Here we have the mold too. So the final step is adding the sachet of Eno. Properly. Yes. And now we have to mix it really properly.
And the decoration will be, let's see, but we should mix it really properly so that we can
After
get
adding the Eno, it may seem a lot more thick.
And my most favorite part after that is licking the spoon.
Take it. So now we are going to add this batter into the mold. Properly. And now we have to set it into 17 degree and 20 minutes and start. Cake is finished. It's ready.
By the way,
Is it tasting time? Tell me how it is.
it's really soft, even though it is a little sweet. So we'll try to.
You should really try this at home, and bye bye.
It's so nice to see you. You should try this. Really, it's very nice.